Hi everyone, welcome back to Heavenly Days. Listen, I wanted to continue with the series that I started, which is teaching you how to speak Xitsonga. Honestly, you guys are saying this is difficult, and it's not. If I want to learn Spanish, I have to have like the right, like good attitude. You know, if you say it's like difficult and don't learn how to speak it, it's just going to be a big waste of time watching these videos. So you might as well just keep a positive attitude and just keep trying. When I speak things, when I say it, like Steve is like, he's dedicated, okay? He wants to learn. So let's get to it. I'm gonna insert the clip and then you hear what she says. I'm gonna repeat it and then explain it to you guys.
Can I teach you something?
Yes.
Just say loko vakvutisa.
Loko vavutisa.
Kuri ufamba namani.
Loko vavutisa. Give me another one.
All right. Obajele.
Obajele.
Kuri ufamba na.
Kura ufamba na.
YFM.
YFM.
Loko vakuvutisa. Loko vakuvutisa. Meaning when they ask you. Loko, when. Vaku, they. Vutisa, ask. Repeat after me. Loko vaku vutisa. Kuri ufamba na mani. Kuri ufamba na mani. Who you are walking with. Vajeli. She said vajele. That's in Mpumalanga. If you're around that side, you can also use vajele. But here we say vajeli. Tell them. Tell the people. Alright? So kuri ufamba na. You see the same words repeating. Kuri ufamba na, that you are walking with. For example, let me give you like a typical, like normal day-to-day example. Somebody could come to me and ask, ufamba na mani? Then I'm gonna say, zifamba na hlengiwe, the person that I'm with. Ufamba na mani. Who are you walking with? Or somebody could just be like, hey, I heard you going to the mall. Ufamba na mani. Who are you going with?
One more time. Loko vakuvutisa. Kuri ufamba na mani. Vajeli. Kuri nzifamba na hlengiwe. Right? We go together. That means you're walking with me.
I am also going to spice it up a little bit and give you other sayings, maybe 3 more sayings in Tsonga that we love to use that you should actually understand because they're very like popular. The other one that was very popular in, I believe in 2018, 2019 was Yena Ayakwi. I feel like that should be in the book of Tsonga sayings that are like pretty much useful and necessary because it was trending, right? And he's well known for that. Yena Ayakwi. Where were you going? Like, is that kind of thing that you probably were in the wrong crowd with the wrong people and just like then there was like consequences to that? I can say Wena Ayakwi, right? Meaning, where were you going? Then if we're talking about somebody who's absent and not there, Yena Ayakwi, that person, where was he going or where was she going, right? But if it's me, you and I like talking, I would say Wena Ayakwi. Does it make sense? Wena Ayakwi. You and I are conversing. But if it's about somebody who's not there, Yena, that person, Ayakwi. The other saying is that utashikuma leshi ushilabak. A lot of people mess this up and I'm just like, oh my god, I feel so embarrassed for them. You know, I just want to go in hiding, but I understand. So you get the opportunity to learn now. Utashikuma leshi ushilabak. You will get what you're looking for. This is also something to say that, you know what, you go back to that man that broke your heart. He lies, he cheats. You know, munu imunu ivan van ne kume munu imunu ivan van. You are who you are because of other people. Munu imunu ivanu van. Well, I gotta go. I hope this helped just a little bit and you just learn this language. It's like pretty simple. I always say this. pretty simple, and you've got me. So subscribe to the channel and stay tuned to more videos. On the next episode of How to Speak Xitsonga, I'm teaching you my cultural food.